Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate lead generation with Pipedrive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start automating lead generation with Pipedrive, first, log into your Pipedrive account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section located in the top right corner. In the settings menu, locate the lead generation option. Click on Lead Generation to view the available tools and integrations. Next, select the Web Forms feature to create a new lead capture form. Design your form by adding fields such as name, email, and phone number. Customize your form to fit your branding with colors and logos. Save your form once you are happy with the design. Now, integrate the form with your website or landing page by copying the provided HTML code. Pass the HTML code into your website's backend to display the form. After your form is live, leads will be captured directly into Pipedrive. Next, go to the Automation section in the settings. Click on Add New Workflow to set up your first automation. Choose a trigger, such as New Lead created for your automation. Add an action to assign the lead to a team member automatically. You can also set up notifications for team members when a new lead is added. Make sure to save your automation workflow. Now, head to the Pipeline section to customize your sales pipeline. Set stages in your pipeline to match your sales process accurately. Once your pipeline is ready, you can start tracking your leads. Consider integrating additional tools, like email automation software, for enhanced lead engagement. Set up email campaigns to nurture leads automatically through the Pipedrive platform. Finally, monitor your lead generation process using Pipedrive's reporting tools. Check regularly to analyze the effectiveness of your lead generation efforts. This will help you refine your strategies and improve conversion rates over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.